Is Digit Car Insurance a good company? I have to say it is one of worse. As I work as branch manager in a nationalized bank, we have tie-up with many for general insurance and we deal some case too but never face such attitude from customer care. I was traveling from Haldwani to Gangihut in Uttarakhand with my wife when this accident happened around 9 p.m. When I called customer care for road assistance, customer executive received the phone and keeping me on waiting for conference call to connect their RSA. They did not receive the call and their mere excuse was there is technical problem. I was stuck at night in nowhere in forest with my wife and their reply that they will call back in 10 minutes. After waiting more than half hour I received call then we got to know that Digit who claim providing towing 500 kilometers in case of breakdown actually there is only 50 kilometers only. When I asked why it's only 50 kilometers, they said 500 is from city. When I asked what is definition of city they have no answer. After asking several time, they city mean metro city. What rubbish, so if buy car and buy policy from you, we are not supposed to travel more than 50 kilometers from your center. Oh yes, I asked if this 50 kilometers is from your authorized service center, they said no, it's from tow van is coming. Why do you issue policy if you can't provide tow van in whole country? Nearest authorized center is only 75 from place where accident took place but as they have no tow van here they will provide us tow van from Haldwani which is approximately 280 kilometers from here and we have to pay for this. You guys seriously need to look in your service. Most important, when I bought your policy, I was provided only single-page document where there is no term and condition written. Now when we demand for claim, you guys are asking me to go though term and condition which was written nowhere in document which was provided to me. Pathetic service from you. I had a pathetic experience with this company. I thought I made a wise decision while buying the car insurance policy from them. I met with a major accident near Ramnagar, Uttarakhand, inside Corbett National Park. They took 29 hours to pick up the car and get it towed to Haldwani. I faced the same problem that Aditya Singh Kunwar has mentioned in his reply. They took 16 days to give an assessment report. The total cost of repair estimated by the service center was 3 rupees, 05,000. The IDV of my car was evaluated at 2 rupees, 78,392. As per the IRDA regulations they should have treated my car as a total loss, constructive total loss. But they proposed a settlement amount of 1 rupee, 43,495. And they asked me to get it repaired paying the balance amount from my own pocket. Their policy wordings and IRDA rules says, the insured vehicle shall be treated as a CTL if the aggregate cost of retrieval and/or repair of the vehicle, subject to terms and conditions of the policy, exceeds 75% of the IDV of the vehicle. But during the claim settlement process they came up saying, your claim doesn't qualify for total loss CTL as the IDV of the vehicle is 2 rupees, 78,392.00 and the assessed repair liability is 1 rupee, 43,495.00 which is less than 75% of the IDV. This is a blunt violation of IRDA regulation as they have replaced the term, total cost of repair, with, assessed repair liability. Now I am filing a case against them for the violation of IRDA rules. So in my experience, it's a fraud insurance company you should never consider buying an insurance policy from. GoDigit company deals in fraudulent practices. Here's why: I had fallen into their trap last year and took car insurance of my vehicle, Honda Amaze 2015 model. With good 2 weeks to go, they started bombarding me with emails and calls for renewal. They said I will get the early bird discount also. The best price which came from them 14,972 Indian rupees per. I felt this was pretty high, but they convinced me this is the best in the market. But my gut feeling was these guys are bluffing. I took quotes from Policy Bazaar and to my utter surprise, the quotes I got for the exact same parameters, year of manufacturing, IDV, etc., was 5,000 rupees per to 6,000 rupees per, 1/3 rode the price. On further investigation, I went on their own website and punched in the same parameters. The price came to 7,221 rupees, 1/2 the price. This is one company you should avoid.